with another video, and I am playing what? Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm playing. Oh my gosh, again, bro. Okay, I'm playing Shotgun Farmers. Great. I'm playing Shotgun Farmers. And yeah, I'm trying to get the golden shovel, and lately I'm gonna be. I already have the silver shovel because I killed. Dude, guys, I'm so close to getting it. So that's why I like my avatar. You like it? You like it? Like just been trying for like 2 days by
Here
now.
comes the crop duster.
And it's so hard, but I'm gonna get it today. Hopefully I could get it by this match done. I have like 974, I think, right now. I'm not sure. I'm just predicting that. I'm just predicting. I'm just thinking. I'm not sure, actually.
Double kill.
I don't want to go back to lobby. I mean, obviously.
Triple
But,
kill.
like, why do they have to make this in first person? Just look how fast they're moving. I'm, like, this is AIs, by the way. I'm doing free for all. That's a little trick. If you want to get it, like, just put it to private match and bots only, and pick whatever map you want that has a lot of space so you could kill people, and then just yeah. So just like, like just keep killing them with your pickaxe. It's easy to kill them by the back because you like one shot them. Yeah, you one shot. Like, just look. Like, you could just one-shot them. You could just one-shot them. Look, do you see that? One shot. One shot. Dang it. But sometimes I die because, like, they could be annoying. And I'm pretty sure they have aimbots, but they're not good at the game, so that's why, like, they don't kill me often. But, like, yeah. Just go on with the video with me. If you could fast forward this if you want. You could just wait until I get it, or you could just fast forward. Yeah. Yeah. You could just fast forward if you want, or you could just watch.
Double kill.
All right. I'm gonna go in 3, 2, 1. Not gonna be talking for a lot. Oh, by the way, I do play keyboard and mouse.
Double kill. Triple kill. Milking it. Utterly ridiculous. Minute left to go. Here comes the crop duster. Double kill. Triple kill. Milking it.
Come on. 30 more seconds. Watch this. It's gonna say it. Look.
30 seconds left.
Yep. Said it. I mean, just look by the look of my score on top, like, you can obviously tell that.
Double kill.
Just watch me dance for a little. Watch me dance.
Victory!
Golden shovel! Let's go, guys! we did it! We did it! 1,000. Let's go. We did it, guys. We did it. I've been working for like 2 days for this. Oh my goodness. Finally. I have 10,000. I have 1,080. Oh my god. Guys. Let's go. Finally, dude. Oh my god. Let's go. Let's go. I did it. Oh my god. Like the video. Subscribe. Let's go, guys. Let's go. I did it. Oh my god. Finally. After 2 days of work. Let's go. Now I could just finally just do my normal things. Ugh. Finally. Oh, I could just play normally again. Oh, chicken run. Oh my god. I drink this.
Capture that chicken.
Oh my god.
I feel the rain coming on. Oh wait, no,
Dang
that's the crop drop.
I don't think I'm that good because, like, you know, I've been playing other things. Yep, I'm not good. Oh my god. I'm gonna try it on controller for a bit. No, look at the sense. Okay, I do have like aimbot. Oh, okay. I'm gonna fix my sense. Dude. No. Oh my god.
Crop duster incoming.
Okay, I guess this will work. What the? No!
Double kill.
Chat, you
Crop
don't
drop
know.
inbound.
Comment, please. Let's go. I finally got it. Stop it!
Double
Stop
kill.
it! No! No! Don't let them get that chicken. Yes! No! No!
Your team is close to victory. Double kill.
Oh, we lost. Dude, we already lost.
You'll get 'em next
Come
time.
on, I freaking hate this. What the heck? My God. Oh, sorry. Alright. Alright. No. Oh, come on. Who likes Dark Side? Nobody likes Dark Side. Do we have to do it? It's so dark. Why do people like Dark Side? It makes no sense. Bro, look how bad my teammates are. Really? Are they this bad? Oh.
5,
Okay, I think
4,
they're better.
3, 2, 1.
Go.
Get those punks off my farm.
Let's go. Come on, stupid person. Come on, man. Stupid person. Come on, stupid. This game. Oh, that guy also has the golden shovel. Come on. I mean, it's calm, it's peaceful. I know it has like those little,
Double
but
kill.
it's peaceful. I like it. It's not super bad. I like it.
It's a bird. It's a plane. No, it's a crop drop.
Yeah?
And you're gonna take shower.
Oh,
Because 2 days you've been like dirty everywhere and you can take shower. You're gonna wait until night because at night you can take shower because you're too
so?
Double kill.
Okay. Come on. So annoying. Bro, I literally just died to a literal sniper. An actual sniper, dude. Oh, come on! These My God. Come on! This guy's so bad. Come on. Give me luck. Like the video. Please. Like the video. Like the video.
Here comes the crop duster.
Dead. Oh, please. Thank you. Thank you for doing that. Oh my God, guys. I really need this.
Crop drop
I really need
incoming.
this, guys. Oh my gosh, thanks, bro. I would have never had this luck. But they still have more kills. Come on! Bro, wait, what? Can you... No, I'm not getting on at Fortnite. No. No. I'm not getting on Fortnite. I'm literally recording a vid for shotgun farmers. And plus I got the golden shovel and I have to make a video about it. Because you are not, I'm not splitting the money, by the way.
You'll get them next time.
Stupid people, I literally had, come on, man. What? Oh my god. Did you wait, how wait. First of all. How do I know how much money I'm gonna get? Like, okay, wait. I get the money first, and then I'm gonna count how much it is, and then how if I'm able to divide it up, then I'm gonna give. I'm gonna have one half, and you're gonna have the other half, even if it's little money. Of course I know that. Alright, this is gonna be a little bit short video because of my friend. So, bye.